Yeah, quite a few. And even further upstream, alignment is key, but I'd put that kind of second on my list. First
Okay.
on the list is have a plan, have a people strategy, write it down.
Okay.
80-90% of HR leaders don't have a documented list of what they're working on and why.
Okay.
So start with documenting, it could be one page. It doesn't have to be complicated. What are the most important things that you're working on for whatever period of time, year, quarter, whatever. So write it down, have a plan. Number 2 is ensure that that plan is aligned with the organization goals and priorities.
Mm-hmm.
And number 3 is communicate the heck out of it. Ensure that your team knows what they need to do. Even if you have a small HR function, ensure that everybody knows what they're doing. Ensure that there are good status and progress checks. Ensure that your internal stakeholders, the other business leaders, are aware of what you're working on.
Yeah.
Those are the most common issues,
right.
and where you fall into traps are where you try to take on too much.
Okay.
You can move 30 things an inch, or you can move 3 things a mile. So ruthlessly prioritizing what you'll take on is essential to success in an HR leadership role. There's always going to be something else that you can do or that somebody's asking for. And so staying true to those goals and priorities will help you ensure that you're working on the most important things that are the most impactful.
All right.